Hello everybody, this is Sonia, and I'm on here again because I do have another parcel, and this is from Karen Karen Cello. Sorry Karen, I'm terrible with names, and when I see another name, oh dear, it's got a pussycat there, look, it's got a pussycat. And this is from Canada. Oh, thank you so much. I do love parcels. I've been having so many parcels. I don't know what the people at the post office think. It's a very small town I live in. And they were probably wondering why I'm getting all these parcels. Maybe they think it's my birthday. But it is like a birthday. Better than any birthday, really, with the amount of things. It's been absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, everybody. Oh, look at this. Oh, dear little things. Look. There's a bird in there. Two birdies having... They're getting married. Isn't that neat? Oh, I can't get them. I can't get it out. I don't want to wreck the birdies. Okay. Which is everybody's going, don't worry about the birdies. So you get it out of there. Oh, I'm so sorry. I saved the birds. Didn't save the envelope, but I saved the birds. I know I can use the rest of the envelope. I'm sure I can. I'm going to waste it. I'm terrible like that. I've got so much stuff because I can't throw anything away. I'll just cut that across there like that. I can use that for a pocket in a page now, can't I? I can use it for a pocket. I'll just trim that up nicely now. There we go. How's that look? That's better. There we go. Okay, Karen. Sorry, darling. Here's a little fabric for your 5 years on YouTube. Your videos are so entertaining and informative. Keep up the good work and show us your kitty more often, please. I don't know, he looked a bit me again today. He loves me. He loves to come and cuddle with me, but sometimes, you know, there's such a thing as the murder button, and if you press it on the kitty, you know, like if you stay with you too long, they will bite you. Yeah, so thank you very much for the lovely card too. That's really nice. Thank you very much, Karen. That's very, very nice. Thank you so much, darling. And now we can open this one. I'm a bit tired. I hope that's okay, everybody. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, look. Oh, dear. Gee, this is waking me up. Oh, look what I've got in here. I got stamps. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, my goodness gracious me. Oh, isn't this lovely? Thank you. Oh, and bits to put in albums. Oh, in a journal. Look at that. I love that. Little card. I've been trying to find some cards like this, and I've been saving up stamps too. I love stamps. Thank you so much for all these lovely stamps. These are from Canada though, these ones, aren't they? They come all the way across the water. Look. Look at all them, aren't they nice? Thank you so much for the... I've got a strawberry and smile. Look at that. Thank you so much, Karen. That is so very kind of you. I do love them bits. I do love them bits. They're all going to be very handy for me. Very handy. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for that. Look at this tulle. Oh, look, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's just weightless. It's not even there when you just got a small piece. Look. Oh, isn't that going to make beautiful flowers or pieces over, like something over your, in your book over the work or something, just to tone it down and make it sparkle. And she gave me a whole heap. Thank you so much for that. That's beautiful, Karen. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh, dear, look at the colour. Oh, isn't it pretty? Oh, it's velvet. It's velvet. Wow. Isn't that nice? Isn't that a beautiful colour? Thank you so much. Oh, I do really love that. Thank you. And this green, isn't it beautiful? Oh, look at that. I do love green colours. I do love green colours. And this one, oh, look at this. Oh, just the thing for houses, isn't it? Oh, just the thing to make houses. Look. Oh, if you don't understand what I mean. I made some little tiny houses using... this is actually a corduroy sort of, a corduroy flannelette sort of thing. You know, like a corduroy pants and your flannelette shirts made out of, maybe. Sort of in between the two. The colours and the things. Now I made little tiny houses to make on a button one time, and these are just so nice to make those out of, or just make them on applique. Cut out cut out the little bits and use them and different things and put them in the... Oh dear, there's lots there. Thank you very, very much. That is very nice. Thank you. Oh, look at this. I can see the I can see this in the Gypsy album. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. And it's very nice. Oh dear, thank you so much. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh dear. I am going to have the biggest book anybody ever seen. Thank you so much for these beautiful things. I really appreciate all of them, Karen. And thank you so much for the lovely card and your wet wishes. And thank you everybody for watching. And I haven't been talking that much, but I might have to get a drink of water, okay? So thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.